Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, one of my viewer has query how to disable PowerShell for users only, not for the domain admin or administrator account. Okay, so I'll show you step by step in this video how to disable PowerShell for the users. However, PowerShell will be working for the administrator account, right? So before going ahead, I want to request you, if you have not subscribed yet my channel, please subscribe just to motivate me, just to support me, and click on the bell icon so that whenever I will upload new video, you will get the notification. Okay, so let's start now. So this is my local PC and this is my domain controller. And from here, I will show you how you can block the PowerShell for all your domain users. But that will be working for the administrator, right? Either that will be domain admin or administrator user. Okay, so this is my domain controller. Let me show you again here. You can see the computer name is DC and domain name is itparivar.local. Okay, so I have opened this server manager. From here you can open it, server manager, and I'm going to open group policy management. Through group policy, I will show you how you can disable for the users, not for the administrator users, right? So here you can see the domain name is itparivar.local. Let me expand this. You can see here group policy object, right? So for now, here there are few group policies, but I am going to create one new group policy for disable the PowerShell. Okay, so I am going to right click here and clicking on new option and going to name it as a disable PowerShell for users. Okay, you can see here disable PowerShell for users policy created. Now you can configure here, and after configure you can link it to the domain level. If you want to apply this policy for a few specific OU for a specific OU users, you can configure and apply. But for now, I am going to link this policy here to the domain level. So I am going to right click here and link an existing GPO. Once we click link an existing GPO, it will ask to select which GPU you are going to link it here. Okay, so we are going to link this policy, disable PowerShell for users. I'm going to say okay, and now you can see here this policy is linked to the domain level, right? Means if you will implement this, if you link this policy here on the top level, or you can say on the domain level, this will apply for all the domain users or for your domain computers, right? It's depend on the policy is configured for the users or for computers, like user configuration or computer configuration. Okay, now let's start to configure this disable PowerShell for users. I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to do edit, and as we are going to disable PowerShell for the users, so I'm going here in the user configuration, policies, and administrative template. Okay, and then you have to click here on the system. Okay, guys, please watch the complete video because I'll show you step by step, and because we have to disable or prevent to access the PowerShell for users from anywhere. Means user should not access PowerShell from anywhere on the system from the command prompt, from the run menu. Okay, so for now I'm going to here specify like don't run a specified Windows application. Okay, I'm going to enable this. Except this, we have to do few more settings, but first I'll configure this setting and then I will show you that the other one. Okay, here you have to enter PowerShell.exe. Okay, and PowerShell underscore ise.exe, because we have PowerShell and PowerShell ese. Okay, you can see here PowerShell and PowerShell ise. Okay, so here I have entered both exe name. I'm going to say okay, apply, and okay. Okay, so this policy will be applied for whole domain users, right? If you see, for now this should apply for this one. However, I have logged in here with the administrator account. Let me show you. You can see here administrator. Okay, so for now I have logged in with the administrator account on my domain controller, but as we have implemented this policy or linked this policy to the domain label here, so PowerShell will not work for the administrator account also, but we have to apply this policy for the users only, not for the admin, right? So let me show you first. Let me do one thing. Let me apply this policy first here by going to update, run gp update. It's updating policy. Computer policy update has completed successfully. User policy computer update has completed successfully. Let me close this. Okay, and let me show you now. I'm going to right click here and clicking on run as administrator. You can see this is not opening, right? If I'll open this, this is also not going to open, as we have blocked this run as administrator. You can see the operation has been cancelled due to restriction in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator, right? So as for now, the PowerShell has been disabled for the administrator user also, right? So now what we'll do, we'll change few settings so that this will not apply for the administrator. This will be effective for users only, right? Before going ahead, let me show you one more thing. I'm going to enter here cmd and to open command prompt. If you want, you can open PowerShell from here also. So just you need to type PowerShell. Okay, and now you can see PS user administrator, means this command prompt has been switched from command prompt to PowerShell. I mean, from here we are able to open the PowerShell, right? But user should not open PowerShell from here as well, right? From anywhere, like from this start menu or from the command, okay, command prompt. So to disable this from the command prompt, I will show you one more settings need to define. So let me go here, let me close this and let me go again. Okay, just go to the policies, under user configuration, Windows setting, and security setting. After that, software restrictions policies. Okay, so you can see here no software restriction policies defined. What you have to do, you have to right click here and click on new software restriction policies. Okay, now expand this security labels and additional rules, right? So you have to click here on the additional rules and click on new path rule. Now you have to browse, go to the server C drive, your domain server, then select Windows, and after that system 32. Okay, once you expand system 32, you have to select, we can do, let me try one more option, PowerShell. Okay, and just right click here and then click open file location. Okay, here you can see again open file location. Yeah, so it was Windows PowerShell. I'm sorry. Yeah, it was Windows PowerShell, guys. Okay, I was just searching PowerShell. Okay, so now we have to select this one, right? So in that way, just here press backslash, type PowerShell, select this, Control A, Control C. I mean, just right click this. Okay, let me close this, and just we have to put here. We can also browse again. Let me show you. I'm sorry for that. I was just searching PowerShell, but it is named with Windows PowerShell, right? So just take care. Under Windows, system 32, expand this and then type Windows and select the Windows PowerShell. Yes, here it is, and just scroll down. You can select from here. Okay, PowerShell ISC. So for now we have already selected this. Okay, I'll copy it and paste here, say apply, and okay, so one path is created here, right? Now again create one more path, new path, and either you can browse in same way or just copy and paste that and edit this to PowerShell underscore ISE dot exe. Okay, so it's C Windows C Windows System 32 Windows PowerShell version 1.0 PowerShell underscore ISE.exe. Apply and okay. So why I have created this both path? Because we were able to open the PowerShell from the command prompt, right? But that should not work as well from the command prompt. Okay, now let me close this and do here GP update. Computer policy updated and user policy updated. Now let's try here open PowerShell. So last time we just typed here PowerShell and we were able to open PowerShell from here. Now let's try. Okay, it is still opening PowerShell. Let me do exit from here. Okay, Control C, exit from PowerShell. Let me do gp update // force once. Okay, so it's updated. Let me check again. PowerShell. It is still opening. Yes. Let me close this and reopen. PowerShell. Yes. So I think the command prompt was already opened. Due to that, we were able to open. But after closing and reopen this, you can see this program is blocked by group policy. Message is coming. Okay. So yes. So this is blocked now. You can see from the command prompt as well. In same way, you can try to open ISE PowerShell ISE.exe. Okay. This program is blocked by group policy for information contact your system administrator, right? But now we are like the PowerShell is not working from the command prompt or not working from here also, right? So what we'll do, this is not working for admin also, or for, you can say, domain administrator also, right? So what we'll do, we'll go to the group policy here and then go to the delegation, click on advanced and click on add button. Here type domain admin, check names, click on add. Okay, and then just select read and check all the other options. Read should be, make sure read should be selected, other all options should be unchecked. Okay, and apply group policy option should be deny here. Apply group policy, deny. Okay, so that this group policy will not apply for the domain admin or administrator users. Okay, now let me run gp update again. Update force. It is getting updated and you can see, yeah, it's updated now. So let's try to open here PowerShell again from the command. Okay, let me close this and reopen cmd PowerShell. Yeah, so it's, you can see last time we were getting like PowerShell is blocked by system administrator, and once we added the domain admins in delegation and we customized the policy and we configured the policy should be deny, policy should not apply for the domain admins group. Okay, so now we are able to open the PowerShell from the command as well as from here. Let me show you. Yeah, you can see now we are able to open. So as we are able to open now on the through the administrator user or domain admin user, but now we have to verify if domain users are able to log in, able to open the PowerShell or not. Usually, as per the policy, users should not be able to open the PowerShell, right, from the command prompt or from the start menu button or from anywhere on the user machine. So let me show you again one more thing. I have a test user here, the test OU, right, and I will try to log in with this user, that is a domain user, right, and then we'll try to check if this user is able to open the PowerShell or not, right. So for that I have to switch this machine, because I have only this machine for the testing. Okay, for now I have logged in this machine to the local. Okay, so I have to switch this user and log in with the domain test user account, and then we'll see if test account is able to open the PowerShell or not. But one more thing I want to let you know here, if I'll switch, then the recording will be stopped, but once I will be logged in, then I will record and show you. So guys, I have logged in with the test account now. Let me show you. You can see test1 account, which is a domain user account, right? Now we'll check if this test account is able to log in the able to open the PowerShell or PowerShell ISC. So first we'll try to open the PowerShell from the command prompt, as we have already applied the group policy and updated. Let's try to open PowerShell from here. You can see this program is blocked by group policy. For more information, contact your system administrator. Let me open the PowerShell ISE. I mentioned exe. This program is blocked by group policy, right? So PowerShell and PowerShell ISE both are blocked, and this test user is not able to open the PowerShell from the command prompt. Now we'll try to open PowerShell from here. Okay, let me go to the open file location and try from here. PowerShell ISC. Sorry. Yes, the operation has been cancelled due to restriction in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. Let's try this one. Same message. So PowerShell ISC has been blocked. Let's try to open PowerShell also. PowerShell. Open file location. The message, it's blocked. The PowerShell x86 blocked. Yes, so guys, now we have successfully implemented, or you can say applied, the group policy to block the PowerShell for the users. However, this will work for the domain admin or for the administrator account, right? So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So again, I'll request you to please subscribe my channel to motivate me, to support me, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new video, you will get the notification. If you have any query, feel free to leave your comment. Thanks. Bye bye.